Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Shein or Shein, however you say it, clothing try-on haul. I have about 10 different clothing items that I'm going to be trying on for you guys and then giving you guys my review and thoughts on each item. So if you are interested, just keep watching. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload, and let's start the video. So everything I did buy is in size medium. I'm not sure of the prices on each item, so when I do go back and edit this, I will throw in the price on each item when I try it on for you guys. So the first thing I have is this matching set. It is a light gray matching set. It is a pair of leggings and then this shirt right here. It has like the little tie in the front. It's a long sleeve. It's super cute. I thought this was a super cute matching outfit. So the first thing that I noticed was the material of this set. I'm not really a fan of it. It is super thin. I know you guys can tell, but you can totally see through the pants and the shirt. It's really thin. It's just like a really different kind of material. It's not necessarily rough, but it's not soft either. It's just kind of in between. I'm not a fan of it, to be honest, but I think it's super cute, and I have wore this a couple times and I don't mind it. I just really would not prefer this material. I've ordered quite a few matching sets from Fashion Nova, and the material is always like super soft and nice, so I do like that. But also this matching set is like half the price of a matching set on Fashion Nova, so yeah. As far as the sizing goes, the top fits really great. It is a crop top, and then the leggings fit pretty great. They are kind of big, maybe around in the butt area. They're kind of big, but I am going to be throwing in some clips of me trying these on. And when I tried these on was about a couple months ago when I received these. I just never got around to finishing the video and uploading it, so I'm just now getting around to uploading it. But when I did try these on, I was a lot skinnier. I have gained weight since I wore these, so they aren't as loose as they look in the video of me trying them on. They actually fit really great now. Next, I have this burnt orange hoodie right here. It is a long sleeve hoodie with, there's a hood, it has these strings, and it is a crop top hoodie. I think it's super cute, especially when I have it on. It's really comfortable and it looks super cute. It matches pretty much anything. It is this burnt orange color. So yeah, but it is a crop top, so you kind of have to wear if you want to wear a shirt under it, you're gonna have to wear a crop top under it, because like I said, it is a crop top and it's pretty high. It's a pretty high crop top, I would call it, but I really like it. It's super comfortable and cozy, super casual. You can wear it with a pair of leggings or a pair of jeans. I really do like the color, and it is medium like I said, and it fits really good, but like I said, it is more of a higher cropped hoodie, so if you want it to be a little bit more loose fitting, I definitely think you should order a size up or maybe even 2 sizes up. So next I do have another matching set right here. It is a pair of sweats and this crop top shirt. The sweats are gray and there is a butterfly on the pocket. And then this is what the shirt looks like. It's like a light baby blue with the butterfly right there. I think this is super cute. I really like the butterfly. You can get this in several different colors, I believe. I just went with the baby blue because I thought it was the prettiest. Like I said, size medium, it fits great. This is a crop top. It is more of a higher crop. So like I said, if you wanted it to be a little bit more loose fitting and not so high of a crop top, you definitely would need to order a size up. But I went ahead and went with medium. And I think it fits great. You can wear your sweats more higher up or lower if you want. It is like pretty stretchy. There is a drawstring and it does have pockets, but the only thing is that the material that these sweats are made out of is very thin. So definitely you would need to wear like a light colored pair of underwear, because if you wear anything dark, you're definitely gonna see through. I really do like this set. This is probably one of my favorite things that I ordered from this haul. So next I just have this pair of gray leggings. You'll be able to see them better when I throw in the clip of me trying them on, but they do have this crisscross in the back. I thought that was super cute. I really like that. These aren't very thin, so they weren't very see-through. Like I said, I did order size medium, and let me say I probably should have ordered a size small because they were very baggy. They didn't fit really like leggings should. They were more baggy, which I really didn't like. But like in the clip of me trying them on, like I said, that was a couple months ago, and I have gained weight since then, and I haven't tried these on since I've gained weight, so they probably fit me a lot better now, but I just haven't tried them on yet. But definitely I think if I was gonna order them again, I probably would get a size small because they were that baggy. But otherwise they're super cute. I think they would look really cute with like a crop top, so you can see the crisscross in the back. So if I try them on again and they fit me better, I'm probably gonna start wearing them a lot. So next I have this black long sleeve shirt, and it does have like a opening in the back with a like strings that you tie. You'll be able to tell a lot better when I try it on, but this is probably my favorite thing that I ordered by far. I love this shirt. I wish I would have got one of every color. It's super comfortable. The material is super soft. It is kind of stretchy, and it is size medium, and it fits like a glove. I love this shirt. It is a crop top, and I think it fits great. I really love this shirt, and I probably will order more in the future because I just love it so much. Next, I have this jacket right here. This jacket is super soft. I love it. It's so soft. Top jacket. So definitely you would have to wear a crop top with it because I just think that's what looks right. So I guess that's my personal opinion. You don't have to wear a crop top with it if that's what you want, but I think that's what looks better with it. But it is super soft. Like, it's super soft, but it's not insulated, so if it's very cold outside, you would probably definitely need another jacket, not this one. This is not going to keep you warm, really. I mean, it's going to keep you warm, but not if it's like super cold outside. But I really like it. The only thing I didn't like was that when you move around, the buttons make a noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it. The buttons make like noise. So it kind of sounds like Christmas time, like Jingle Bells maybe. But and to me the buttons seem like really like cheap quality. I don't know, but I mean I haven't had any issues with them. But I don't really, when I wear it, I don't really button it up either. So overall, I really do like this jacket. It's super cute and it's super comfortable. So next I have this shirt right here. I'm not really sure what you would call this kind of material, but it's super stretchy. I have size medium and it fits perfectly. It is more of a, I wouldn't say turtleneck, but it definitely does go further up on your neck. More of a pinkish maroon color, I would call it. But it's super comfortable and I think it was pretty cheap, so I think it's perfect if you want to just wear a basic kind of shirt and tuck it down in your jeans. It's perfect for that. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, but I like it. It's super comfortable. Next, I have this top right here. This is more of a, I'm pretty sure in the description of this it said mint green, but to me it's more of like a sage green. It's like a lot darker than a mint green. Yeah, but like the color's alright. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's okay. And then the material. Yeah, I don't like the material. It's more of a like sweater material, I would say, and it's like really rough. It's not comfortable at all, I don't think. And it is a crop top. And it is a very high crop top. So if you're not like comfortable with crop tops, or if you want it loose, this probably wouldn't be the shirt for you, or you're gonna need to order a lot larger size. Something that also is like, you can see like it has an outline underneath where your boobs go, and I don't like that either, because it ended up like coming like right across my boobs. It was not under my boobs, it was like right across my boobs, so it wasn't really comfortable. Like, I mean, I'll still wear this shirt, but like it's probably not gonna be like something that I grab and wear all the time. Honestly, I probably won't even end up wearing it that much. So yeah, out of everything that I ordered, this is probably my least favorite, and I kind of probably, knowing what I know now, I wouldn't have ordered it. So yeah. Okay, so next I have this shirt right here, and I love this shirt. This is probably my second favorite thing I ordered. This shirt is super comfortable. The material is super soft, it's stretchy. It has this like cute little detailed ruffling all along the neck of it, and the sleeves are the exact same. I think it's super cute. There is the tie. You can adjust how tight you want this to be, and you tie it down here. It's super comfortable. You could even wear it kind of like off your shoulders if you wanted to. And it's like a peach color, but I think it's more like an orange color. It's not very light. It's not like light like peach, like I would imagine peach to be, but it's super cute and I really love it. And I definitely probably would order this again, and I would order it in probably every color they have because it's super comfortable and super cute. It is a crop top, so I always wear it with high-waisted jeans because I think that's what looks better with it, but alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. If you guys like this video and want to see more clothing hauls or have a recommendation on some kind of brand of clothing or anything like that you want me to try, comment down below and let me know, because I love doing these kind of videos and I love getting new clothes. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on, and I'll see you in my next video.